What I wish I knew about easy room upgrades when I first moved into my place. These quick DIY hacks will save you time and money. First up, let's tackle those boring walls. Grab some washi tape and create funky geometric patterns. It's quick, easy, and if you mess up, no worries. That tape peels right off without damaging your walls. Next, let's talk storage. Got a collection of old wooden crates? Stack them up, paint them any color you like, and voila! Instant stylish shelving. Now here's a fun one: DIY photo display. All you need is some string, clothespins, and your favorite pics. Hang the string across the wall and clip your photos. It's like a personal art gallery that's super easy to update. Ever thought about making your own lampshade? Grab a plain shade, some fabric scraps, and a hot glue gun. Wrap and glue the fabric around the shade for a custom look that's uniquely you. Finally, let's not forget about plants. Old jars or tin cans can make charming plant holders. Just add some soil and your favorite greenery. Instant life and color in any room. So there you have it, 5 quick, fun, and totally doable DIY hacks to revamp your room. Remember, it's all about personalizing your space and having fun while doing it. Happy DIYing, everyone!